my feet. Night air hums a steady beat, echoes drifting from the shore. Reggae love forevermore. Stars align above the sea, quiet talks and honesty. Every breath a calm release, floating in this moment's peace. Chill, chill, let the silence play. Music lives in softer ways. Wave by wave, the night is kind. Leave the heavy world behind. When the dawn begins to show, gentle light and amber glow. Salt and sound, a memory. This beachside song stays with me. Sand still warm beneath my feet. Night air hums a steady beat, echoes drifting from the shore. Reggae love forevermore. Stars align above the sea, quiet talks and honesty. Every breath a calm release, floating in this moment's peace. Chill, chill, let the silence play. Music lives in softer ways. Wave by wave, the night is kind. Leave the heavy world behind. When the dawn begins to show, gentle light and amber glow. Salt and sound, a memory. This beachside song stays with me. Last wave breaks along the shore. Same old peace, nothing more. Heartbeat slow, eyes half closed. Let the night decide the road. Echoes fade but feeling stays, carried through the coming days. Every time the world feels tight, I return to this soft light. Chill, chill, whisper low. Let the quiet rhythm flow. Wave by wave fade away, till the rise of another day. When the ocean calls my name, I'll be back just the same. Salt wave sound, calm and true. This silent song lives on in you. Last wave breaks along the shore. Same old peace, nothing more. Heartbeat slow, eyes half closed. Let the night decide the road. Echoes fade but feeling stays, carried through the coming days. Every time the world feels tight, I return to this soft light. Chill, chill, whisper low. Let the quiet rhythm flow. coffee by the shoreline view. Sky so white in a deeper blue. Seagulls singing harmony. another day in serenity. Radio playing that old school tune, reggae echoes under the moon. From Kingston vibes to island sand, music holding my open hand. Slow dance with the ocean tide, let the rhythm be my guide. Every step feels light and true, nothing else that I need to do. Chill, chill, let the night roll in. Warm smile with the sun-kissed skin. Wave by wave, let the story flow. Saw wave life, easy and slow. If the road gets hard someday, I remember this calm escape. Sunset fire, starlight glow. This reggae heart will always know. No rush, no fear, no chains on me. Just see sound and harmony till the sunrise paints the sea. This beats I dream stays with me. Morning light begins to rise, soft gold fills the open skies. Footsteps gone, but echoes stay of the night that slipped away. Ocean breeze, a brand new tune, still connected to the moon. Every vibe we felt last night leaves again in morning light. Chill, chill, feel it remain like a soft and endless rain. Wave by wave, calm and slow, this our way will always flow. No goodbye, no real end, just a calm we call a friend. From the shore into the blue, these beats I dream carry through. Morning light begins to rise, soft gold fills the open skies. Footsteps gone, but echoes stay of the night that slipped away. Ocean breathes a brand new tune, still connected to the moon. Every vibe we felt last night lives again in morning light. Chill, chill. Sun climbs high, the day feels new. Same calm sky, a brighter hue. Sand still holds the night's embrace. Memories time won't erase. Every wave that meets the land feels like home, feels so planned. Even when I drift away, this rhythm shows the way. Chill, chill deep inside, this peace becomes my guide. Wave by wave, soft and slow, salt wave life is all I know. If the noise comes back again, I'll return right here and then to the sea, the sound, the blue, where my soul feels always true. Sun climbs high, the day feels new. Same calm sky, a brighter hue. Sand still holds the night's embrace. Memories time won't erase. Every wave that meets the land feels like home, feels so planned. Even when I drift away, this rhythm shows the way. chill deep inside. This peace becomes my guide. Wave by wave, soft and slow. Salt wave life is all I know. If the noise comes back again, I'll return right here and then to the sea, the sound, the blue, where my soul feels always true. Sun climbs high, I feel up, day feels new. Same calm sky, a brighter hue. Sand still holds the night's embrace. Memories time won't erase. Every wave that meets the land feels like home, feels so planned. Even when I drift away, this rhythm shows the way. Chill deep inside. This peace becomes my guide. Wave by wave, soft and slow. Salt wave life is all I know. If the noise comes back again, I'll return right here and then to the sea, the sound, the blue, where my soul feels always true.
Shoreline glow, soft reggae plays real low. Shadows dancing on the sand, night breeze cool on my hand. Stories shared with easy laugh, time feels slow in gentle paths. Every face feels warm and real. The simple life is what I feel. Bassline rolling through the air, heartbeat sing, no worries there. Guitar crying sweet and light, carry love into the night. Chill, chill, let the moment stay. No need words, no need to say. Wave by wave, the rhythm knows where the peaceful feeling goes. When the morning comes around, we still move without a sound. Sunrise, gold, ocean free, salt wave living endlessly. Lantern lights on the shoreline glow, soft reggae plays real low. Shadows dancing on the sand, night breeze cool on my hand. Stories shared with easy laughs, time feels slow in gentle paths. Every face feels warm and real. The simple life is what I feel. Bassline rolling through the air, heartbeat sync, no worries there. Guitar crying sweet and light, carry love into the night. Chill, chill, let the moment stay. No need words, no need to say. Wave by wave, the rhythm knows where the peace
Footsteps fading in the sand, night still warm, hand in hand. Ocean hums a lullaby underneath the open sky. Every note still in the air, reggae love is everywhere. From the firelight to the sea, this moment feels like destiny. Chill, chill, let the rhythm guide, let it flow. No need to hide, wave by wave, hearts align, lost in time, feeling fine. When the sun returns again, we'll remember where we've been. Salt and sound, wild and free. This reggae dream lives in me. Footsteps fading in the sand, night still warm, hand in hand. Ocean hums a lullaby underneath the open sky. Every note still in the air, reggae love is everywhere. From the firelight to the sea, this moment feels like destiny. Chill, chill, let the rhythm guide. Chill, chill, let the rhythm guide, let it flow. No need to hide, wave by wave, hearts align, lost in time, feeling fine. When the sun returns again, we'll remember where we've been. Salt and sound, wild and free. This reggae dream lives in me. Footsteps fading in the sand, night still warm, hand in hand. Ocean hums a lullaby underneath the open sky. Every note still in the air, reggae love is everywhere. From the firelight to the sea, this moment feels like destiny. Chill, chill, let the rhythm guide, let it flow.
sunset